Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving in two of the hottest topics making waves on social media right now. First of all, we'll be looking at the ongoing saga between Aunty Donna and Derek Morgan. Two big personalities clashing in ways that have everyone talking. Then we'll shift gears and discuss Donna's reaction to the prophet Inner Sharp, which has sparked a lot of strong opinions and even some disappointed amongst her supporters. Now remember that these are just discussions and my perspective. Donna, like all of us, is free to live her life the way she sees fit, but social media always have something to say, so let's get into it. So there's been a lot of back and forth between Aunty Donna and Derek Morgan. People all over social media have been weighing in, and Kingston 13 has added fuel to the fire by pointing to some of her hard truths. She boldly stated that Donna has put herself in this mess by continuing to interact with Derek, who has a reputation for stirring controversy. Many are arguing that Donna has reached a level in her life where she should no longer engage with certain characters on social media. They say she's now repeating the same mistake, giving these individuals a second, third, and fourth chance, only to be disrespected in the end. Some even feel that she deserves what Derek is dishing out because she should have known better by now. As we know, Derek Morgan thrives off drama. He's one of those persons with a spirit of expectancy. He always expects people to put him first, and when they don't, he throws a tantrum like an overgrown child. Kingston 13 hit the nail on the head when she said that Derek doesn't want anyone else to get help apart from himself. He's the kind of person who feels entitled to everything, while at the same time being ungrateful for the opportunities given to him. So let's talk about this spirit of entitlement. Derek embodies it to the core. People like him take and take, then bite the hands that feed them. They demand loyalty, but give none in return. They cry victim when they are called out, yet they are the one causing chaos in the first place. What's even worse is that social media enables this behavior. People laugh, share, and comment, fueling Derek's antics. Derek is one of those ungrateful people who have a way of turning blessings into burdens. They cry out for help, but once they've gotten what they want, they tend to forget who stood in their corner. And if you dare to move or help someone else, they'll be labeled, they will label you as disloyal. Derek Morgan is the textbook definition of this behavior, and it's about time people stop enabling him. Let's bring it back to Aunty Donna. Her forgiving nature is both her strength and her weakness. It is beautiful to see when someone has such a big heart, willing to give others the benefit of the doubt. But at some point, forgiveness without boundaries become self-destruction. Derek has shown time and time again he does not value the kindness she extends to him. And as usual, he has a spirit of expectancy and entitlement. Donna needs to recognize that not everyone deserves access to her life. Some people like Derek will continue to hurt her if she allows them back in. Forgiveness doesn't mean tolerating disrespect. It doesn't mean giving someone a front row seat in your life after they consistently cause chaos and disrespect you. At the end of the day, this is just my opinion. Donna's a grown woman and free to go wherever she sees fit. She sees fitting in her life. She's the one walking her path, and only she can decide how to navigate it. But as someone looking in from the outside, it's hard not to feel that some situations could be avoided with firmer boundaries. Now, let's talk about the controversy surrounding her reaction to the prophetess. This one has people divided and emotions are running high. So here's the story. This prophetess Sharp, a long-standing prophetess on social media, came out and said that Donna's altar has broken down and it needs to be repaired. She claimed to be delivering a message meant to protect Donna, but Donna didn't take it well. Her reaction has left many supporters feeling disappointed. Some people are saying that Donna has let fame take her away from God, and they are upset about the way she handled the prophecy. And they're upset about the prophet approaching her. And they're upset about the way she handled the prophet. One woman even went as saying she's ashamed of Donna's response and no longer sees her in the same light. Others are pointing out that the prophet didn't say anything disrespectful and was simply trying to look out for Donna's spirituality. Then there's Donna's perspective. She openly questioned where these prophets were when she was down and out, struggling to make ends meet. Why didn't anyone bring up prophecy to lift her up then? Well, I guess that's a fair question, but others argue that Donna is now a public figure and maybe Prophet Sharp didn't know her before her rise to fame. Some are saying that the prophet should have approached Donna privately instead of making this message public. And I agree with that. Matters like these are sensitive and could have been handled in a much better way away from the social media spotlight. As for Donna's reaction, we can't speak for her and why she's upset. People react differently to different situations based on their personal experiences. Donna might have felt attacked or judged, which could explain her anger. However, many believe that regardless of whether the prophecy was true or not, Donna should have accepted it gracefully and left it to time to determine its accuracy. After all, if it's wrong, then the onus would fall on the prophet, not Donna. So this is just my opinion, but I believe that both Donna and Prophet Sharp should have addressed their matter privately. Spiritual matters can be deeply personal, and sometimes airing them out publicly only adds unnecessary tension. So what do you think? Was Donna justified in her response, or could she have handled it better? And was the prophet right to take this to public, or should she have reached out to Donna privately? Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Remember, we're here to discuss and learn from each other's perspective. Whether you side with Donna or think she should have handled things differently, these stories highlight the challenges of being in the public eye. Let me know your thoughts. Should Donna have set firmer boundaries with people like Derek? And was her reaction to the prophet justified? Or what do you think? Should Donna be more careful with the people she allows back in her space? Or is her forgiving nature just a part of who she is? Let me know in the comments. So guys, have yourself a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Please don't forget to leave a like on my video and subscribe if you find value in the information on this channel. You stay blessed now, and one love.